What's up everyone? So this is Kenny here, and today I'm actually bringing you to this restaurant, Swee Meng here. This is like a very unique restaurant where they serve their food right in clay pot. So let's go and check it out. My parents actually love this place. Let's go. So this shop is open from 11 a.m. to 2:30, 4:30 to 8:45 p.m. This is their phone number, okay? Kitchen, open kitchen. Let's look at the menu. This restaurant is actually famous for their clay pot. Everything here is served in clay pot one. It's very good. It's really very nice. Different tastes things in clay pot. So you have seafood here, and then you have chicken here. Alright. Bean curd, everything here is served in clay pot. That's their specialty. Eggs here, and vegetable, soup. So this is one of the places, right? My parents actually like to come also. But these come early, it not confirm a lot of people. Fish, pork, all in clay pot. Small rice, done. So this is what we got today. Tongboro, this one, the pork, I eat with this bun, flip in between and eat, okay? And this is fish curry, right? Okay, fish, very nice. And also this one is kailan, choy sum, stir fry choy sum in clay pot, and bean curd with mushroom. This is what we got, so bean curd mushroom, fresh mushroom. Okay, so itadakimasu, now you can makan already. So here's the bun. Take the bun, right? Take some meat, put in between. This is how you eat the tongpo pork actually. See this? Clip it. And there you have it. You can have it. Very nice. Okay, here's the tongpo pork with the mantao. Okay, I put too big the meat, but it's damn good. Okay, very good. Let's finish with it. Now is the curry fish. Okay, curry, spicy and tasty. You must drink it. You must eat it hot. Very nice. The fish is also fillet is fresh. You could actually order the curry and with the rice. That's it. Good. Choy sum is sour, right? The vegetable is a bit long, so this is choy sum here in clay pot. Oh, very fresh the vegetable. Very simple with the oyster sauce and the clay pot, put in clay pot. So the last dish ordered today is the fresh mushroom and also the bean curd. Okay. Can at least just put a little bit of bird eye chili padi lah, you all call it, and put it up here. I think there's just something about cooking a clay pot that makes the taste a little bit different. And not sure actually, I don't really cook in clay pot, but I love the food here. So if you are around the corner, you can just race or Google. I'll leave the location down below. Come to Lee Swimming. I'll leave also the details in the description. Alright? Bye bye.